Hey guys, we're gonna go through how to ace paper 2 in English language. And wait till the end because I'm gonna go through a really cool tip. The main focus at this stage should really be about the last question, the persuasive writing question. Here are the things that you need to know to be able to persuade well in the exam. What's in it for me? Everyone's favorite radio station, WIIFM. All you need to do throughout the essay is to make sure that you're always thinking about the person who's reading it. Because whoever you go to, including your mom, yeah, that's right, your mom, they're doing it because it makes them feel better. Deep. Wherever you can, write in triplets, like the good, bad, and the ugly, for example. This type of thing is psychologically shown to improve the effectiveness of some persuasive language. Number 3, use rhetorical questions. Rhetorical questions poses a question and makes them actively involved. What are you going to do about this video? As an example, this is what I did at the start of this video when I said to you, do you want to get top grades for your GCSEs? Okay, I lied. I didn't do that. I can't remember what I did. Number 4, counter argument. Let's say as an example, my main argument is that you should watch this video till the end. And your counter argument is that you rather go and chill with your friends. And my counter to that counter argument is that there's only 2 minutes left and you're going to learn a lot of information which will help you pass your exams. Now, it's very important that you show the examiner that you know what the opposition's argument is and then you beat it down. Next one, your opinion needs to be presented as if it's a fact. Instead of saying, everybody, I think this panda is good.
Bruh.
No, you don't want to do it like that, you want to do it like this. This panda is awesome. With conviction and authority. And drop in a hyperbole. Right? This is that kind of stuff where, you know, when your mom tells you, I told you to clean your room 1,000,000 times.
What the hell is this?
Of course she did it. She's saying it to make it more persuasive. Use personal pronouns. I, you, we. For example, if I tell you now, you need to click like on this video, that's making this more personal and more persuasive. Imperative command. This is linked to the previous one where you're ordering someone to do something. For example, what happens is that if I tell you to subscribe, you're more likely to do it because it's a command. Okay? Now what I want you to do with statistics and figures, make them credible, make them believable. So don't just say 90% of the people in the world agree with me. Say something like 6 out of 10 people in a survey done by Cambridge University found that they all love my channel. Amazing. This one's probably the hardest one, emotive language. But if we can get this right, then you can really ace it. Emotive language is really hard because firstly, it's hard to explain in a minute. And secondly, it takes quite a lot of practice. So you can't just say, I'm sad or you should be sad. You have to use the right words in the right sequence, in the right order to make someone feel sad. See this essay on the screen to be the perfect example of what that is. Yeah, read each of them and see the pacing and how you feel about each of the paragraphs. Another one is repetition. You're amazing. You're amazing. No, really, you're amazing. No, you are really amazing. Hopefully you hearing this 3 times is likely to make you believe it more. This one I learned from my days in corporate world where I worked on over £2 million worth of projects. What I found was that these guys at the top of the kind of the food chain, these big fish, what they were doing, they would come in for a few minutes into the meeting, having not worked on the project, they would just pick it up and all they would do is they would turn this into a story, this uninteresting technical business stuff that they are turning into a story because us humans, we love stories. Now the other one is implying that the outcome is certain. We will do this. We will win this war. You see a lot of the politicians when they're doing persuasion, this is how they would speak. If you're in the cool crew and you've made it this far, then ChatGPT is your friend, right? So I'm gonna put here the prompts that I used for ChatGPT to write at least a grade 7 essay. And then you need, as always, as we discussed in the previous video, in the paper 1 video, that you need to use it as a human in the loop. So you use the prompt, get an essay from ChatGPT for whatever topic you want, then you want to give it to the examiner, refine it, improve it yourself, give it to the examiner, refine it, and Bob's your uncle.